The 4-to-4 error code on a KitchenAid dishwasher indicates a communication problem between the circulation pump motor and the electronic control board. This issue can be caused by loose or damaged wire connections, or a faulty electronic control board. To fix the problem, it's essential to check the wire connections, as an issue with the cables can inhibit signal transfer between the electronic control board and the circulation pump motor, prompting the 4-to-4 error. To examine the cables, access the wire connection between the electronic control board and the motor, and inspect for any looseness, damage, or corrosion. If the wires are loose, they should be re-secured, and if they're damaged or corrupted, they should be replaced. Additionally, the electronic control board should be checked, as it controls most of the dishwasher's primary functions, and a defective board can cause numerous errors, including the 4-to-4 error code. The board should be inspected to ensure it's in good condition, and repaired or replaced if damaged. If the problem persists after trying these steps, it may be necessary to contact a qualified technician for further assistance.